everyone. Today we are going to revise alphabets with its phonic sound. So let's begin. So let's begin with the alphabet rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Alphabet A. A says A. Apple. Alphabet B. B says B. Ball. Alphabet C. C says Car. Alphabet D. D says Dog. Alphabet E. E says Egg. Alphabet F. F says Flower. Flower. Alphabet G. G says Grapes. Alphabet H. H says House. Alphabet I. I says Insect. Igloo, iguana. Alphabet J. J says Jug. Alphabet K. K says Kite. Alphabet L. L says Lion. Alphabet M. M says Monkey. Alphabet N. N says Nurse. Alphabet O. O says Orange. Alphabet P. P says Pig. Alphabet Q. Q says Queen. Alphabet R. R says Rabbit. Alphabet S. S says Spider, Sun, Star. Spider, Sun, Star. Alphabet T. T says Turtle. Alphabet U. U says umbrella. Alphabet V. V says volcano. Alphabet W. W said window. Alphabet X. X says xylophone. Alphabet Y. Y says yo-yo. Alphabet Z. Z said zebra, zip. So, I hope you practice the rhyme at home.